their speakers also make sure a good sound check. So, what's next for the California Bureau?
I would like to have the best show that Vegas has ever seen. And I think that I can. For a performer like me to have a stage that doesn't have to travel. Oh my God. You can do so much.
Speaking of Vegas residencies, J-Lo hit Sin City this weekend. There she is enjoying Usher's show, and she also stopped by Adele's, where she sang along and got a shout out. And finally, Jay-Z has settled a question that's gone viral online.
If you had a choice between getting paid $500,000 in cash or lunch with Jay-Z, which would you choose?
You gotta take the money. I wouldn't tell you to cut a bad deal. Like, take the 500,000, go buy some albums, and listen to the albums. Like, it's all there. If you piece it together and really listen to the music for the words, for what it is, it's all there.
DraftKings 2 Lions First Interview with Jay-Z airs this week on CBS Mornings.
So on CBS Mornings, exclusive new bombshells from Britney Spears' memoir, The Woman in Me. And we get to hear Brit's voice reading from the 288 pages.
When I was growing up, my mother and father fought constantly. He was an alcoholic. I was usually scared in my home. Outside wasn't necessarily